Alright, hey guys, so here's the wiring harness with the Maestro RR and the Alpine hooked up. So I'm going to try and explain a little bit of it. It might be confusing as hell to some people, but so this is the connection to the radio, for the actual antenna, sorry. That goes right in the back of your radio. Hooks up, and then you have a bundle of about 4 blue and white cables. Actually, sorry, I'm wrong. 5. Then here you have your mute, which is not hooked up to anything. It goes into your Alpine. This is your front in and rear in. And on this side, this was one confusing thing. On this side of the Alpine is the blue and white wire. And this is the wire that actually hooks up into this bundle, not the blue and white one on this side. This is the one if you want to hook up another amp. So from there, going back, this goes into the back of my radio. And then, so yeah, it's a big bundle of wire. You can follow the instructions very easily off of the form. But this is the 28 pin that has been discussed a lot. And as you can see, there was an extra attachment to this, which you just cut off because you have to attach to, but do not cut off this portion of it. And I don't think you need these, but I mean, I just kept them on there. Anyways, this is going to be your video output. This hooks up to the back of your radio, and I'll show you where later. But it's kind of confusing. I had to try a bunch of different ports to get my rear view camera to work. From there, you have 4 that go back into the 18-pin Maestro, and that we've discussed multiple times. And then these 2 from this big bundle are going to go into my ODB2 port. So this red, so on the 3-prong import, this red doesn't get attached. Do not attach it. Only the black and the yellow go back, and the black is obviously your ground, and then the yellow is your continuous 12 volts. The power actually comes from this pink and I forgot the colors. Pink and gray and red. Gray and red go hook up over here in the big bundle of reds for power on like a switch, ignition switch power. I also have the little bypass thing here, which is really easy. You just kind of read the instructions that it came with. Here, you can pause it there if you really want to read them. Anyways, so from there, right, and then from here, and on this side, we have the other Toyota connection, which hooks up to the 4 output. So there's a signal that comes in from the radio, goes into the amplifier, and then comes out here and goes to, these are the 2 rear ones, but essentially the 2 rear ones, and the other prong, the 2 front ones, and that you can see going right around here. Again, you can just read the instructions on the Alpine. They're not too bad. The thing that got me was my radio for some reason didn't work, and it was because out of this, the Toyota connection that has most of the connections, I just forgot this blue wire to hook it up with all the other blue wires, with the blue and white one from your radio connection, which is the do I still have the little tag? There we go. Anyways, so yeah, here I'll go over here real quick and show you where. So I don't know if it's too hard to see, but you're gonna hook up your radio right, or your output to your rear view camera right here. Anyways, I'll be